Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to unpublish a blog post on WordPress website. As you can see, I'm into my WordPress admin dashboard, and here there is an option of post in the left side toolbar, and when we move our cursor on the post, then automatically a submenu appears over here. You just need to click on all posts and all your blog posts written by you would be displayed over here, right? As you can see, this blog post is already published. You can simply click on quick edit under the blog post title. So I've clicked on quick edit, and here you can simply change the status of your blog post from published to pending review or draft, right? And then you can simply click on update. Mostly we need to unpublish your the blog post because of reason that we have committed any mistake. Either we have entered the wrong content or added wrong images. Then we can simply again unpublish that particular blog post, so we can re-edit it and then we can publish it, right? So you can simply do this from here, as well as you can simply click on edit to go into the editor mode, and from here, as you can see, I'm into the editor mode of my blog post, right? And here in the left side settings toolbar, if this toolbar doesn't appears on your screen, you just need to click on the settings icon near to the save icon, right? In the top right corner, you will find the settings icon. You just need to click on this, and the settings toolbar would be displayed over here. It is having two sections. The first one is of post and the another is of blog, and you just need to open the post section, and here you will see the status of this blog post. It is under publish mode as of now. You just need to click on this publish, and you can again make this blog post as private or like pending or whatever the schedule. You can simply unpublish this blog by clicking on draft. You can simply select the draft status and you can click on save, and this blog post would be unpublished again. So this is how you can unpublish your blog post on a WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about the WordPress, then I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my website and read articles related to WordPress. And if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit to my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.